And what do you have? Why is the planet round? Because it's a containment. It's just like the star. It reflects the star. The star is a containment. That's why it's round. Because it would have to be round. It would have to be circular for it to exist. Because it's a containment. How does the planets and all that are created? How are they created? Compression. You have other planets. You have other stuff going on. Compression. You have compression of the containment. You have all of that. And you have the gravity. Gravity is just a rotation. That's all gravity is. You have the static electricity, friction, static electricity. You have the containment of that. You have the, like putting two hands together and rubbing a ball. Get some Play-Doh or something and rub it around and it becomes a ball because you have the compression of the two hands that then rub around, that then creates a containment, that then creates a ball. It's a containment of compression, and it's just reflecting that of the sun, because the sun is a containment, and then planet Earth is a containment. And where's the sun? It's going around, it's looping around the galaxy, and it's rotating around the gravity of the galaxy. So that's why you have the movement. You have movement because all of that is moving. That is looping, and you have the gravity that is rotating, which is that movement. So you have the planets turning and where it has been created, and then you have the compression of the stars and the other planets, and you have the containment of the planet, just like you have the containment of the star. And it all is a system within a galaxy system, within a universe system. So, and like I said, you have the friction, you have the static electricity it's proven facts here on planet Earth. What do you have? You have lightning, you have electricity, you have all those things that can do what they can do with stuff here on planet Earth, which is how that is, but in the solar system and the universe, but different here on planet Earth. It is the same, but different, like always, and the dust and everything. All those videos that I made that they took when they took my account from YouTube and they took all my videos, all those videos that I had about dust and how the universe was created from dust and all of that compression and pressure and all of that, and then heat, which if you got different pressures, then there's heat and there's cold. And then when you got movement, which is then that creates the swirling and everything that mixes it all up, then it gets it in a containment, and then you have the creation that is a star or a galaxy, and it continues to be, and it continues to live, and it continues to recycle stars and planets if it goes back into the galaxy where all that is happening. You know what I'm saying? So you have all that, and all those videos that I did make that they took my account though, and all those videos now that I'm seeing videos now about them talking about, but you go back 10 years ago and it was all about the Big Bang, and it was all about do 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 do, and they're still not explaining all the videos and stuff. But whatever. I don't care about that stuff. I'd like my account back though. I'd like my videos back. But I'm not here to talk about that. I'm here to talk about how things are and how life is the answer. Like always, life is the answer. Life has the answers. So these people, I believe they have all the answers, really. I just believe that they just continue to make these videos just because they're just messing with people or whatever. But, they get paid all this money and stuff, man. Yeah. Uh, but, it's all a time schedule with them and the future and people growing up and all that for them. So, goodbye.